Hi there, I'm Tom, Chief Economist at Barbour ABI. A warm welcome to April's update on the construction and planning environments. It's been another very good month for the planning environment. Contract awards were 8.6 billion, a really strong showing. That meant Q1 averaged 7.6 billion per month, which is a new all-time record for a quarter. It continues contract awards' record streak over the last 7 months. We've never before seen such consistency in contract awards, as usually activity is very volatile. As usual when activity is high, the largest sectors need to do well. In April, both the residential and the commercial sectors had excellent months, with 3.5 billion and 1.3 billion respectively. Both sectors achieved their highest monthly values since before the start of the COVID-19 pandemic. Activity in the commercial sector was mainly offices, and residential projects were spread throughout the country. Infrastructure also had a pretty good month with 2.2 billion. Across other sectors, activity was weaker. The hotel and leisure sector fell back to previous low levels, and education and healthcare were around the long-term average. Elsewhere in the planning environment, March was also a good month for planning approvals. March's 9.6 billion meant an average of 9.8 billion for Q1, which was the highest quarterly value since before the COVID pandemic. This was driven by higher residential approvals. In planning applications, February saw the 17.8 billion HS2 Phase 2B Crewe to Manchester line, an important milestone. Removing this project, however, shows underlying activity has been weakening since the beginning of the year, with all sectors below average levels and some significantly so, apart from infrastructure and warehousing. While we're seeing really strong later stage planning activity, there are a lot of uncertainties at the moment. Weakness in the domestic economy, a record tax burden coupled with high inflation, continuing shortages of goods, Brexit impacts and public sector austerity increases the chance of a slowdown as we move towards the summer. The slowdown in planning applications may be a foreshadowing of this. For now though, it is excellent news that later stage planning is at record levels. Thanks for watching. If we can help at all, please do get in touch. All the very best.